Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is Cajun inspired baked chicken with veggies. Cajun cooking is spicy and very flavorful. So let's see how to make this amazing recipe. Come on. If you get hold of these basic spices, then you can put together an awesome Cajun meal in minutes. There's a Cajun restaurant nearby and they serve the best seafood. I usually go for their tilapia with dirty rice and beans. Once this seasoning is ready, you can use it on anything like seafood, chicken, veggies, even potatoes. It tastes amazing on baked potatoes. I usually like to try different cuisines just to add some variety. Our seasoning is ready. Now let's prep the chicken. I have taken boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins as they're easy to cook. I'm going to make crisscross incisions on them for them to get seasoned well. You can make cuts any way you like. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so don't worry about missing out anything. These are ready to be seasoned. Just season both sides with salt and pepper as per your taste. Now remember, we also added salt in the seasoning that we made earlier. We are going to drizzle that on the chicken later. Now this dish is perfect for a date night or even when you have some guests. Just prep everything early and keep it in the oven. Bake it last minute and pull it out of the oven like you have created a masterpiece. You can even use butter instead of oil. Cook on medium heat until opaque on both sides. We are not cooking it completely. These just take a couple of minutes per side. In the meanwhile, you can do all the other preparations like chopping the vegetables and keeping the oven ready for baking. These are done. We'll take them out from the pan. You can even add more veggies of your choice like broccoli, Brussels sprouts and even potatoes. There will be some seasoning left over, so you can use that for anything you like later. Give it a good mix and these will be ready for baking. I'm lightly greasing the baking dish. Now spread the veggies in a single layer for even cooking. Now lay the chicken pieces on top so that the veggies will get the chicken flavor while baking. I'm just dusting the chicken lightly with the seasoning, say about 1 to 2 tablespoons total for all 4 tenderloins. We will bake this in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Pull that back out of the oven so that we can top it with cheese. I like the taste of pepper jack cheese, but if that's not easily available, you can also use any other shredded cheese. Put it back in the oven until the cheese just melts. I have to tell you, these look and smell amazing. Let's see how to plate it now. I'm going to serve this with some cooked wild rice and garnished with some cilantro. Looks great, right? Enjoy! If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.